At GRI, family isn't just a word, it's a promise. A promise to cherish the moments, to nurture one another, and to go that extra mile. For us, family is not only about the present, but about securing a future for our loved ones. At GRI, our commitment to family extends beyond the walls of our factories and our homes. We believe in empowering the lives of future generations.
Through our various education programs and initiatives, our goal is not merely to impart knowledge, but to also ignite the flame of curiosity in the bright minds of tomorrow. Our focus on responsible practices is a wholehearted commitment that will echo through the generations.
In everything we do, there's a piece of unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow. As GRI grows, so does our profound responsibility to the planet and its people. Together, we're building a legacy that echoes with the laughter of families and the promise of a better tomorrow.
This is how our journey began, with family at the heart of everything we do.
And this is how it will continue to grow for generations.